All right, so here is the Klein backpack that I got. It's supposed to be the VIP backpack for the NECA 2024 trade show in San Diego. I don't even know how to pronounce that. OGO. I think that's a good brand. I think me and Nick looked online. I think there's like $100, but this is like a custom Klein one, so I don't think you can get them except unless you're a VIP or they gave you one, like in my case. But let's just go over it. You got your straps on the back. Got some padding here, not too bad. There's no adjustment, FYI, just off the bag. On each side you have spots for stuff, water bottles, anything you want really, one on each side. In the top part right here, it's kind of hard to do one-handed. You have a soft in here if you want to put like safety glasses. Not that you're going to use this as like a tool bag or anything, but you have a soft compartment in here if you have some sensitive stuff. And then in here you kind of have like a laptop or iPad bag. Right here you have a giant slot, and then you have another smaller slot down here. So two little slots to put stuff that are flat and long and square. So I would guess a laptop or an iPad or something like that. Then you have a big opening right here, like a normal backpack. And then you have another second opening right here, and then the last opening you have a zipper right here if you want to zip some stuff up. You got a little kind of carabiner clip. I can focus there, carabiner clip. And then you have spots for like pens, pencils, and stuff like that, which is cool. And then you have one last spot right here, which is like an open Velcro pouch. And then these all zip up, obviously. Klein tools on the front, but obviously you wouldn't want to put like sharp objects in here that would just puncture this and destroy it. So yeah, that's what it says, Klein tools right there. Got an O right there, and then OGO. And that's pretty much it, but it's very cool, and I would say pretty limited production. I'm guessing they're not going to sell these, I don't know, but if you want one, good luck. I just got one, so anyways, that's just a little quick tour of the Klein Tools NECA 2024 backpack.